collected, and we just drive that moisture outside. So it constantly just collects water, moves it over, lets go of the water, and we just dump that water outside. But it's all done in a vapor state, so it's not like it's liquid water.
It's really a simple process when you think about it.
It really is. It's honestly, it's like the easiest way to describe it is like a sponge. You collect water out of the air and you squeeze the sponge out. You collect it and then you squeeze.
They use it for different things, but he'll take a sheet and just sometimes put 50 parts on it. And we'll try it, and sure enough.
Yeah, we go through a project, and every little thing that I think about on a computer screen, I always tell them, I said, hey, we're
Air conditioner at home. This is an air conditioner, basically. It's a coil.
That's cool.
So remember we're heating this wheel up big time. So the air coming off of here is like 100 degrees, 110 degrees. But here's the motor sucking it. Remember, it's pulling the air, pulls the air across it, and then it blows out hot, nasty air out right here.
You can control it.
We have to go through a bunch of calculations and this sort of thing to find out exactly what we're supposed to read. And then with the sensor and stuff, that tells us where we're at.
Yeah, colors and labels, all very important.
And that's it being organized is super important because if it gets to the field and they have a problem, trying to trace those wires down is a nightmare.